Hello. Thanks to all of you who've signed up for our Slack platform. Several of you have messaged me wanting an overview of the various features in Slack. I've prepared a very brief presentation. Let's move into that now. Once you join our Slack platform, you'll come into a screen that looks something like this. The default will land you in the general channel, and you'll see a welcome message from me, one from Professor Rothman, and then probably some notices here about students who've recently joined. This side of the screen is how you navigate through Slack. And in particular, I want to direct your attention to these channels that we've set up here. As I've said, you're in the general channel. There's another one on syllabus and handouts, which is pretty important. You can find the course syllabus that I mailed you here. It's in PDF format, and you can either view it simply by clicking on it, or you can download it by clicking on this little cloud. There's another channel here called Random, which is just for, as it says here, a place for non-work related flim-flam, faffing, hodgepodge, jibber-jabber. You'd prefer to keep out of more focused work-related channels. So you could place a message here, like so. Any message that you write, you can edit, like this. And finally, there's another channel that I've created, Capitalism in the News. And if you've read the syllabus, this is where you would post items for extra credit that connect our course materials to news that you read about capitalism. As the course goes on, we'll create some additional channels. Let me show you what I mean by going into last year's course, where you can see here a number of channels, in fact one for each week. The weekly responses can be found here. You also can find videos. All of the videos for the course will be placed in the video channel. But we don't have those up yet for our class. Those will slowly be populated once term begins. Let me direct you just to a few other features here. You can send direct messages to anybody in the class here. And you can create group messages as well by clicking on this plus sign. There's a great search feature here at the top. And if you click on this little icon here, you can set your preferences. Now, I would suggest that one thing you do now as you play with Slack and you look around it is you replace the generic avatar with an actual photo of yourself. That way we can get to know each other, particularly since we won't be meeting in person this term. We'll at least have a sense of what each other looks like. And I know that a few students have done this already. I would urge you to do that. Hopefully that was helpful. If you have additional questions, just message me. I'll be in touch and see you soon.